Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you one of the basic techniques of boiling the dal. This is the basic technique where you will be using dal for a number of dishes and you need to boil it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the technique of using the pressure cooker to make the dal. So for this, what I have done is I've taken a third of a cup of the Toor Dal, and this is the Toor Dal. I have taken slightly more than a third of a cup, and what I have here is the pressure cooker, and I've put in some amount of water in there. And now the next what we do is we wash the dal. Till the water becomes slightly clear, so maybe 2 or 3 times. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Now having washed it, now I'll be adding a cup of water to this, and we need to put this in the pressure cooker with the water. And we'll be closing the lid. So each pressure cooker will be different, so please read the instruction for that cooker you are using and follow those instructions. And after closing, we put the weight, and this goes on the stove at high point. The stove has to be in the high position. And now I have put the pressure cooker with the dal on the stove. It is in a high position, and now we need to wait, at least for this cooker which I have, I need to wait about 5 minutes till the pressure develops and the weight comes up. That's the indicator that the dal is done. I will show you once that we come to that point. And as I said before, each pressure cooker directions are different. So please read the directions for the cooker you have and follow those instructions on how to use it. Okay, now the pressure is about to develop in the pressure cooker, and what we do is when that pressure comes up, when the weight comes up, we switch off the stove and let the cooker sit there on the stove till it cools down. Wait for it to cool down before opening it, because the pressure will be still high, so you cannot open it immediately. Wait for it to cool down and then open it, and the dal will be ready for you to use to make any dish. This is a very quick way of making the dal. It gets done within 5 minutes, so it's one of the easiest ways to adopt if you want to make a lot of dal dishes. Okay, as we saw, we did the dal on the stove and the pressure going up, and I switched off the stove, and I told you to leave it there on the stove top for till the pressure drops. So I want to show you the final portion of how to make dal in the pressure cooker. So this is, I have removed this from the stove, and as you can see, if you are able to take this off without any problem, like it comes off very easily, then it is ready to be opened. If it is not, we need to wait for it to cool down. So now that this is okay, we can remove this first, and then remove it slowly and away from your hand so that the steam won't burn your hands. And then you can see that now the dal is cooked in this. So now this cooked dal you can use for many dishes. So I hope this helps you in using the pressure cooker to boil dal quickly and make all other dishes. Thank you.